Today, we will share with you amazing pergola design with outdoor kitchen ideas and tips for creating backyard living space with limited budget. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those who crave an extension of their living space, yearning to blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, the pergola design with an outdoor kitchen offers a captivating solution. This isn't merely a place to grill burgers, it's a chance to craft an open-air haven for entertaining, relaxation, and creating lasting memories with loved ones. A pergola design with an outdoor kitchen is a beautiful and functional combination. A pergola, a freestanding structure with open beams and a slatted roof, provides dappled shade and a defined space for your outdoor kitchen. The kitchen itself incorporates essential appliances and countertops specifically designed for al fresco cooking and dining. What the benefits of choosing a pergola design with outdoor kitchen? There are numerous advantages to embracing this design trend. First, expand your living space. A pergola with an outdoor kitchen seamlessly extends your living area, fostering a connection with nature while providing shelter from the elements. Second, enhanced entertaining. Imagine hosting unforgettable gatherings with friends and family. The outdoor kitchen becomes the focal point for lively conversations and delicious meals. Third, increased home value. A well-designed pergola and outdoor kitchen adds significant value to your property, making it a worthwhile investment. Fourth, year-round enjoyment. Depending on your climate, you can use your outdoor kitchen year-round. Invest in patio heaters for cooler months and create a cozy al fresco dining experience. Now that you understand the allure of this concept, let's explore some design elements to transform your vision into reality. Here are some tips for designing your dream pergola with outdoor kitchen. 1. Define your style. Consider your existing home's architecture and personal taste. Will your pergola be rustic with natural wood beams or sleek and modern with metal supports? 2. Layout and functionality. Plan the layout of your outdoor kitchen strategically. Ensure smooth traffic flow between the cooking area, preparation zone, and dining space. 3. Appliance selection. Choose durable, weatherproof appliances suitable for outdoor use. Popular options include grills, pizza ovens, refrigerators, and sinks. 4. Seating and comfort. Invest in comfortable outdoor furniture that complements your pergola design. Consider weatherproof cushions and throws for added comfort. 5. Lighting is key. String lights, lanterns, or strategically placed spotlights create a warm and inviting ambience for evening gatherings. 6. Privacy matters. Depending on your property lines, privacy screens or strategically planted greenery can enhance your sense of seclusion. 7. Storage solutions. Built-in cabinets or under-counter storage provide necessary space for cookware, utensils, and servingware. 8. Embrace the elements. Incorporate a water feature such as a small fountain or a strategically placed fire pit to add ambience and visual interest. 9. Nature's touch. Create a lush atmosphere with potted plants, climbing vines that can grow on the pergola structure, or a vertical herb garden. 10. Don't forget the details. Accessorize with decorative elements that reflect your style. Outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and sculptures personalize your space. Creating a stylish outdoor haven doesn't require breaking the bank. Here are some tips for budget-conscious individuals and tips for building your pergola with outdoor kitchen on a budget. 1. Repurpose materials. Consider using salvaged wood or recycled materials for the pergola structure. 2. DIY projects. If you're handy, tackle some aspects of the project yourself, like building the countertop or installing lighting. 3. Prioritize needs. Start with the essentials first, like a grill and basic prep area. Upgrade with additional features as your budget allows. 4. Shop smart. Look for deals on outdoor furniture and appliances during off-season sales. Unleash your inner designer and craft an unforgettable outdoor space with these top 10 best pergola design with outdoor kitchen ideas. Inspiration for your backyard escape. 1. Rustic retreat. Embrace the charm of natural wood beams for your pergola. Combine it with a brick pizza oven and a simple stone countertop for a warm and inviting atmosphere. 2. Modern marvel. Opt for sleek metal beams for a contemporary pergola design. Integrate stainless steel appliances and polished concrete countertops for a sophisticated look. 3. Tropical paradise. Create a vacation vibe with a thatched roof pergola. Add colorful accents, string lights, and lush greenery for a vibrant and inviting outdoor space. 4. Minimalist masterpiece. Embrace clean lines and a neutral color palette. Focus on functionality with built-in storage and sleek appliances for a minimalist yet highly functional outdoor kitchen. 5. Multi-level magic. For larger spaces, consider a multi-level pergola design. Dedicate one area for cooking and prep, and another for a cozy dining space with comfortable seating. 6. Retractable roof delight. Enjoy the best of both worlds with a retractable roof pergola. Open it up for sunshine and fresh air, or close it for shade and shelter from unexpected showers. 7. Barbecue bonanza. Design a pergola specifically for grilling. Include a built-in smoker, a large grill with ample work surfaces, and a dedicated bar area with a mini fridge for ultimate barbecue bliss. 8. Pizza perfection. Turn your outdoor kitchen into a pizzaiolo's paradise. Build a wood-fired pizza oven as the centerpiece, and surround it with a prep area and comfortable seating for intimate gatherings. 9. Poolside oasis. Create a resort-like atmosphere by extending your pergola over a portion of your pool deck. Integrate a swim-up bar and comfortable lounging areas for ultimate relaxation. 10. Cozy corner retreat. For smaller spaces, consider a compact pergola tucked into a corner of your patio. Install a small grill, a built-in cooler, and fold-away furniture for a charming and functional outdoor kitchen. Remember, this list is just a starting point. Let your imagination run wild and personalize your pergola design with an outdoor kitchen to reflect your unique style and create a backyard haven you'll cherish for years to come. A pergola design with an outdoor kitchen offers the perfect blend of functionality and style. By carefully considering your design choices and budget, you can create a backyard oasis that elevates your outdoor living experience. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more inspiring design ideas for your pergola and outdoor kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest trends and expert advice to transform your dream backyard into reality. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.